In a quiet high school kitchen, Maya transforms daily meals into acts of care, fueled by family memories for the whole community. Her real talent isn't cooking alone, but choreographing lunchtime moments into small performances that lift anxious students and teachers alike. When a funding cut loomed, Maya organized volunteers to expand the program, turning the cafeteria into a daytime stage for businesses. The students' confidence grew, teachers noticed sharper focus, and the project inspired a nutrition workshop at the after-school program. Maya's gift shows how ordinary spaces become stages for hope, inviting everyone to discover hidden talents across generations.